Hello everyone. Today we will discuss some queries, okay, and also we will see how to convert kilometer per hour into meter per second. Okay, so let's start. Some queries are coming. Students are facing problem in numericals. Okay, so let's see how to approach the numericals. Okay, how to solve numerical problem. How to solve numerical problems. Okay, first read questions carefully. Okay, everyone knows. Okay, after reading the questions, write down the symbols and values of the given quantities along with their unit. Write down the given quantities along with unit. Okay, if you write this information, after that see that all units are in same units or not. Okay, means all quantities are matched or not. Okay, suppose the quantities are not matched. Suppose any question is there. Suppose speed is equal to, okay, displacement, sorry, speed is equal to distance upon time. If this is given, suppose here speed is given in kilometer per hour, okay, and here time is given in second. Okay, so do all the quantities in same units. Okay, you can change this kilometer per hour into meter per second. Okay, so like this we also see some questions also how to solve or how to approach the numericals. Okay, after that write down the formula which are related to that question. Okay, write down the formula. After writing the formula, okay, calculate the quantities along with unit, or you can put the values, put the value or values in given formula. Okay, then calculate that value or quantity along with unit. Unit is very important. At last you can write the unit also, because if you are suppose I say that t is equal to 12, okay, without unit it's mean nothing. Okay, t is 12 what, hour, second, or what, nothing information we are getting from this. Okay, so unit is very important. Don't forget to write the unit. So calculate the value or quantities along with unit. Okay, each and every numericals you have to follow this, what, this rule, or you can say that this is steps. Okay, this is not the rule. Okay, this is only for your convenience, because students are not reading the question carefully and not following these steps. They are start in, suppose it is given in kilometer per hour, and they are start trying, the answer is not coming. So that's so many queries came. That's why I think that we should discuss these things. Okay, some common some common statements are given, like suppose the body starts from the state of rest. Suppose the body starts from the state of rest. It's mean what? What does this statement means? It's mean that initial velocity is what? Initial velocity is 0. This means that initial velocity u is equal to 0. Okay. Suppose the statement is given, a body stops or comes to rest. A body stop or comes to rest. A body stops or comes to rest. What does this statement means? This statement means that the final velocity is equal to 0. It's mean what? Final velocity is equal to 0. Okay, got it? Suppose the statement is a body moves with a uniform velocity. Suppose the statement is a body moves with uniform velocity. This is velocity. Okay, uniform velocity. Its mean what? Acceleration is equal to 0. So these are common statements asking in the question. Okay, so you keep in mind that what does this statement means. Okay, so this is the procedure which you have to follow to solve the numericals. Okay, so be patient, start doing numericals. I am 100% sure that you will be able to solve any level of what? Numericals. Okay, now some queries, start some queries. Before doing some queries, see how to convert kilometer per hour into meter per second. Okay, suppose the question is any question, you can take convert the speed of convert the speed of 72 kilometer per hour in meter per second. This is meter per second. Now, what is given? Speed is equal to 72 kilometer upon 1 hour. 72 kilometer per hour, it just mean this. And we know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, and 1 hour is equal to 60 into 60, that is 3600 second. Got it? Now put the values 72 into 1000 upon 3600. Cancel out. 2 5 are 10 and 18. Okay, and 18 4 jump. This is 20 meter per second. So this is the long procedure. Okay, now in my last video I solved one question. I directly multiply 72 kilometer per hour convert into meter per second, that is 72 into 5 upon 18 meter per second. Answer will come same 20 meter per second. Got it? So like this you can convert the what? One unit to another unit. Okay, suppose kilometer per hour is given, you have to convert in meter per second. Suppose in meter per second it is given, you can also convert in kilometer per hour. Okay, like this you can do it. Now, come to the query. Mudit. Mudit asked me one question. Describe the position of an object lying in between the two Cartesian axes. Okay, north and east at a distance of 5 meter from the reference point. Okay, I think this question is in assignment 1 also, I think. Okay, or similar questions. So you have to, everyone knows this I already told. So this is east, west, north and south. You can take scale. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. Okay, so like this, from here, this is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is position A. You have to describe the position of this. Like this you can draw the graph, and what you write, what is describe the position of an object. So object is 5 meter from the reference point. This is 5 meter from the reference point. Okay, so this is the angle of 45 degree. You can also write what, where 45 degree north east. So this is the answer. This is the position of this. This is given in between. So many students are like this, from here 5, from here 5. That is not correct. Okay, so this is wrong. Like this you have to draw. Now the next query. WhatsApp number, from WhatsApp number any student send me this query. Listen carefully. Two cars moving in opposite direction. See how to solve the numerical problem. Two cars moving in the opposite direction. Okay, suppose this is the reference point. You can choose by yourself. Okay, this is not necessary that if I am choosing that this is positive and this is negative, you may also do like this. Okay, you can free. So this is reference point and two cars moving in opposite direction. Okay, suppose when one car is going this direction, from here one car is going this direction. After that, two cars moving in opposite direction cover same distance d, means this distance is d and this distance is also d. After that, in 1 hour, how much time it take? 1 hour. If the cars if the cars were moving in north south direction, it means one is moving in north and second is moving in south. Okay, what will be their displacement in 1 hour? Very simple question. Suppose this is initial point or initial position. Okay, suppose this is car 1 and this is car 2. Okay, and this is the final position of first car and this is the final position of second car. Okay, so car moves. So what is asking, what will be their displacement in 1 hour? Okay, so displacement of car 1, very easy question. Displacement of car 1, and where it is going? In north direction, that is D. Suppose this is positive direction, So if this is positive, then this is negative in 1 hour. In 1 hour, already given, in 1 hour it displays d. So and the displacement of car 2, and that is in south direction. Okay, and that is also d. But here should be minus sign, because the reference point is here, and this is going north direction, and this is going south direction. If you let that this is positive, then this is negative. Got it? Now next query. Think one query. This is also a good question. I think some competition book he asked. Devansh Mishra. Devansh Mishra asked me one question. That is a very good question. A car is moving along a circular path. A car is moving along a circular path with a uniform speed 54 kilometer per hour. Find the difference in their velocities of the car when it is at the diametrically opposite points. And the option is given: first option 54 kilometer per hour, second option 108 kilometer per hour, third option 81 kilometer per hour, and fourth option, that is 27 kilometer per hour. Okay, so this is the question is, a car is moving along with a circular path, means car is moving like this in a circular path with a uniform speed 54 kilometer per hour, means 54 kilometer per hour, this is speed. Okay, find the difference in the velocities of the car when it is at diametrically opposite, means this car start from here, and this is the diameter of the circular path, and the car comes here like this. Okay, so here its velocity is 54 kilometer per hour, and here its velocity is also, because here already told that is car is moving along a circular path with a uniform speed. Okay, it's mean here also 54 kilometer per hour. So stop the video here and you give the answer in the comment box. See what is the answer. Okay, after that play the video and see what is the answer. So see here, suppose I put this direction positive, then this direction is negative. Okay, here minus. And what is the difference of their velocities? 54 kilometer per hour minus 54 kilometer per hour, and the answer is 54 plus 54, that is 108 kilometer per hour. Okay, so the correct answer is this. Got it? So this much queries, any other queries is there or not? Wait. No. Okay. So like this you have to do the numerical problems. Okay. Be concentrate. Okay. Don't worry. I am here. If you have any confusion, you can ask me. Okay. Next, from my next video, I am going to start graph. That is very interesting. If you not understand, then it will become boring. Okay. Now, thank you.